Hello, my dears. Welcome to the Theclastyle. I am so happy from my house to yours to welcome you today in my home to see what I come up with. I'm using a cardboard round that I had cut out for some other project, and I'm using cardboard to do my templates on. Now, guys, I'm just using a box cutter and the scissors, and this is a recreation inspiration hosted by the lovely Six Kids and a Glue Gun, OK at Home DIY, and Crafty Art Shack. These lovely ladies are our hostesses for today, and their rules are just to have fun. We are to create at least 3 DIYs from a creator that inspired us on YouTube. So, guys, today I am making a modern vase. This is basically just made from cardboard. And I saw this YouTuber some years ago, and I was so inspired by his pieces. It's MD DIY Home, and he does so many lovely designs, guys. I am telling you to visit his channel and see what lovely pieces he has there. So I am taking his version and doing 3 pieces from it, putting my take on it. So stick around with me. So I'm cutting all the pieces. I use the same round, cardboard round, but what I did is I carried it up a little to the top to get the top a little narrower for a handle, and I just cut out an extra piece of cardboard to act as a base, kinda, you would say. And I'm just using my glue gun and I'm adhering it around the piece. And so the what I did, you didn't see me do, I left the bottom of the vase just a little flattened so that it can stand properly on the table. So I have it all around and I'm just cutting off the excess. Now, because I want the handle, he did his a little different, because I want the handle to be a little slimmer at the top and come out, at a thickness at the bottom. I'm just going to cut off a piece from the top of it. So I'm just using my pen to kind of give me the grading that I want to achieve. So guys, do check out in the description box for the playlist to this challenge, for this recreation inspiration. And do head across to the lovely host. They are such talented people. I tell you, I learned so much from watching all these ladies who are on YouTube. Even the guys, so inspiring, and we learn so much from them. So what I'm doing, I just connected the other piece to it and adhere it with the glue gun. Now on his own, he used white cement and water. With my version is using the dark cement. I added some water and I'm just pasting it or painting it onto the cardboard. Remember to get all the insides. And with the second piece, I am using a paper mache method. So I did mix my liquid with, I did a flour and water, and I'm just putting the paper around it. Now I wanted to see the different textures that I would get with the different versions that I'm doing. His was very a smooth finish with that white cement, and I wanted to see the other versions, and I wanted to have a bit of texture on mine. So you're going to see me using different methods. Now where I'm pasting it on, and I'm just taking off the extra, and you must leave this to dry. And this is the paint color that I'm going to be using. It's a charcoal, almost black. Now it's dried, and he did sand his pieces, but I'm leaving it with this roughness that it has going on, because I like how it looks. I like the texture that I'm getting. Now the one with the cement, it has a nice weight to it, guys, so it's very sturdy. So I'm using the paint and I'm painting it on. It looks black, but it's like I said, a dark charcoal. And I'm going to give this about 2 coats because of course it's paper. I did go over before and painted it with white paint, and I'm using my American accent. I love to use this. I've had this for so many years, and it gives it a nice wrought iron finish, and I love how this is going on. Look at that guys. So this is my version of the piece that he did. Watch at that. Look how the color comes through like really like wrought iron, and I like to use this American accent on my pieces when I want to acquire this type of finish. Now look at it. This is the finish that I'm getting, and I'm doing the smaller piece just like it. And sometimes I would give away the pieces, or I would keep just one or two, which I intend to do. I'm using a piece of Oasis, the cut down to size, and I'm just inserting it into the little pocket that it has there. And I got some flowers. This was some sprags and succulents. Those were 11 and 12.99. Our flowers are very expensive. This was a piece that I cut out from an existing vase that I had, and all I'm doing is just inserting it to one side. I'm putting the longer piece on one side, and I'm inserting, this is a cabbage flower, and I'm just going to add in all the little succulents to the sides of it. And I think, guys, this turned out so gorgeous. Let me know what you think. Now his is a little slimmer and mine is a little chunkier, which I wanted it like that, and to show a little difference. But I'm going to do two more and show you that I did that a little slimmer. Now this is the other ones that I cut out. These are a little more slender than the other two, and so I'm going to try another way and see how this one comes out. And this is the other one that I have started. Now remember, I said you have to also do the inner piece of it so that it is going to be as smooth as it is on the outside. Now with this one, I decided to use joint compound. This is what you're going to use on your ceiling board when you're doing gypsum ceilings, and I wanted to see the texture that I would get with this one also. And I'm doing all the insides, and this came out pretty good. It's a little smoother than the others. It still has a little texture, and I'm just going to use the sandpaper and give it a light sand. And I love how this one came out. And what I did, I painted one black. I'm leaving that one white, the bigger one, and I'm just going over with a little white just to give it like a kind of a marble finish. And this is what I'm doing here. Some of the strokes I think could have come out a little smaller, but I love how it looks anyway. And I'm just blotting it out with a napkin. Once it's dried, I did put my Oasis into the vase, and I'm putting my succulents and my flowers inside. Remember, one of the flowers are longer, which is draped to the side, and it comes up on one side. This is the white one. I love how this came out, this other version. And I did put, all of them have the same florals in it. I am very, very elated with how all of them turned out. This particular one, the white one, it is gorgeous. I have it on top, close to my TV. This other one, I have it on a side table. I love the wrought iron look of it. The only thing I did not achieve was the sides that would have been really smoothened to look like a flawless shape going around. But guys, let me know what you think, and do check out in the description box for the playlist and head across to all the ladies who are participating. And I am happy to see you, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys, catch you later.